What's up, Disney fans? Wayne and Melissa again here with Disney Trips. Again, unboxing some more Adorables. Again, if you like, comment, and subscribe, any doubles or duplicates that we get, we'll send out to you. We'll pick a winner. So we're going to go ahead and get into these and unbox these now. I'll get one, you get one. We'll see what they are. We already have a couple of these we've unboxed. Which ones do we have?
We have the Lilo and Stitch, and we have the Toy Story.
Lilo and Stitch. So if we get that again, one of you guys should be getting there.
Steamboat Willy.
Steamboat Willy, all right.
Woohoo.
Series 1 Steamboat Willy. Let's open it up and see what she looks like. And then let's see what I got. Uh-oh. A little under the sea action.
Little Mermaid.
Little Mermaid. Little Mermaid is rare and Steamboat really is ultra rare.
There we go.
Alright guys, there we go. Thank you and join us next time.